Okay, so Mr. Fortenberry, wanted to know how you liked the Rev Publish workshop, author workshop that we did the other day, and what you thought about it.
I thought the Republic workshop, the author workshop, is very great. I mean, you do a great job of interacting with the people and going like step by step throughout the process to help people understand what's involved to get a book written and also help them through the process. It's not just here are the steps, but you actually work through it with the group that we can have a better understanding of what to do on our side to help get that book published. I mean, I think it's really greatly done.
Well, you're already published a book with us before. Did you think the process of publishing a book the last time worked out well for you? You're already an author. You're working on your second book.
I think it worked out pretty well. The first book I did all the handwriting myself and everything like that, but it was really great to take it again to really review and help me get ready for my second book and really think about the questions and how I want to go about it as well.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being there and doing the workshop again.
Yes, sir.